Alright, hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to have a little build battle. We are going to build little RC cars. The size limit is this triangle that I'm walking on.
The white triangle.
Yes. What the hell are you doing there? The time limit is 10 minutes. That includes testing too. So let's get right to it.
I guess let's get into it.
Yeah.
Okay, so first let me get to my plot. Okay. So we are starting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, start the timer.
I'm just gonna make a simple little car. Or mute on Discord, alright?
Yeah.
Alright. So now that we're muted, this car's looking a bit long.
Oh wait, blacklist me with anti-copy blacklist on.
Yeah, but if I build any more, I'll see those blocks. So there's really no point in it. I'm just gonna build like a everyday car that you would use. Not like a race car or something. Like that. I'm already bad. What if I do this? I guess that'll work. I have no idea what I'm building. We also might have to have a little race at the end. Alright, so that part is done. Yeah, this is looking very bad. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. Dog! Shush! Maybe I might just build it backwards. Yeah, I'm gonna build it backwards. It looks better this way. How does this look? How much time do we have left?
6 minutes.
Alright. Mine's looking very bad. Mine kind of looks like something. Never mind. I'm gonna have a problem with the windows. I'm gonna have a very big problem with the windows. I'll just make it black, not blue. I guess the car's not getting any side windows. Now propulsion. I'm gonna add something.
4 minutes and 40 seconds left.
How am I gonna do this? I'm making a very big wing. Unusually big wing. Turning is bad now. A little bit more turning. I do have to slow down on turning soon. I'm gonna paint it grey. No, a bit lighter. Also need to paint that. Right, actually, I have an idea. It will scrape the bottom though. Not if I make this one. Damn it. I know what I'm typing. Come on. I hate this thing.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. New users try 1 month on us.
50 seconds.
black on others? I'm gonna paint that black. Right, I am done. Final test.
Okay, stop building. Unmute.
Alright, I'm Blacklist. We'll have a look at each other's cars. I'm gonna put a seat on my car. Temporarily.
I'm gonna just paint something real quick.
Oi,
It's not the car that I'm painting, by the way.
oi, you said time was up then.
It's just my ramp.
Oi, you got it.
I said stop building.
Hmm,
Yeah, I did a ramp. I made a monster truck. I see you've got like a supercar.
super. A modded everyday car. A car that you'll use like every day. Did you
Interesting.
notice something on it? Oh crap, I forgot to paint something.
Okay, since you put your seat on yours, I'm putting my seat on mine.
Yeah, it's just so I can get around.
Actually, no, I'll just do the camera glitch.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the camera glitch. I'm gonna put the camera so it makes it less ugly.
Because it's not really an RC car if you have to put it, if you're in it or on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I made a design, but it looks better making it backwards, and I couldn't be bothered making it turn around. So yeah.
Interesting. I haven't really got a paint job on mine, but mine's got good suspension.
Yeah.
I didn't even use a single block that makes noise.
Yeah, 'cause you use motors
The only thing I used was motors and suspension.
and normal blocks. Do you have a reverse? Because
Yeah.
I do.
I do.
I can also kind of drift.
Yeah, mine has really good suspension. So should we rate each other's, or should we get the viewers to do it?
We'll do both. Yours,
Okay.
paint doesn't really count.
Yeah, paint doesn't count, but
I actually kind of like yours. I give it an 8 out of 10.
But first, let me just show off the thing. So, I don't use propellers for steering. Look, we have actual steering here.
Yeah.
The wheels actually turn everything. You just got propellers. Here, I'll show off the suspension.
Yeah.
Let me just turn. Oh, look at that drift. Wait, go on my screen share. Really nice. You can hit jumps with it. In the last few seconds, I added some wing panels to see if I could make it glide on jump, but then it didn't drive. Because I think there's too much drag for the little boy.
I added a wing because it just kept turning and turning and turning and turning, turning and turning and turning.
I'm gonna hit my jump. I'm gonna hit my jump. Oh, wait, I missed it. Okay, here, watch this.
So did you notice something?
It has rocket engines and all that.
No.
Well,
It's the number.
I know it has a license plate. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. It's number, not license.
We call it number plate.
Yeah, same.
Crap, I keep on hitting my jump wrong.
Dude,
Okay, here, wait.
I should have built a jump. This one, those jumps nicely.
Yeah, it's because I'm using my first-person camera from my character. Here, look. Now what? I need to get lined up. Oh shit, that's not lined up.
Whee! That's a nice jump you got there.
My one can do wheelies. That's
Mm,
an interesting wheelie.
oh no, I'm gonna do something. I actually might save this.
Oh, you missed out on the good jump I just did.
I actually might
I
save
did a really
this.
good.
I like
I
this.
did a really good jump, but you missed out on it. It has really good suspension. Here, look, watch me brake. It leans forward and everything. You see the suspension? See? But look at that suspension. Look, it moves up and down and everything.
Bit
It's
too
like it
fast.
has an actual engine.
Oh no, my camera locked.
Ha.
Whoops. Ah! No. Saved it.
Anyway, I might rate yours as. Okay, wait, how much did you rate me? Like an 8?
Yeah.
I'll rate yours as. I'll rate yours a 7.
Thank you. I might have to leave and rejoin because every time I camera lock, I can't do crap. I'm gonna save this, leave and rejoin. Or should I get rid of?
Yeah.
Sunrise Motel. I haven't done that thing in years.
I like the Sunrise Motel. Undo that. Why'd you place it with that sucky car?
A failed build that never got actually used.
What are you deleting?
You know that hover engine propeller plane I did that failed? It would never take off.
Yeah.
It just kept going down. Yeah.
When did you build a Blue Angels F-18?
I never built one.
Well, that's a screen share.
What?
Bro, my bad, I mistook my screenshot for yours. I was like, when the hell did you make a 727, a Harrier jump jet, and a Blue Angels thing, and an aircraft carrier?
It being so fast. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add one block.
Now, do you want to see this thing on steroids? You want to see my car on steroids? This is the drag version.
Oh wait, look how much blocks I have. Oh wait, my screen share.
Alright, look, I have the drag race version. Ah, I'm stuck.
Oh, of course you did that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, viewers, we might do some other build battles later.
Yeah, so you call yours a monster truck. I call mine RC Speedy car. Say which one you like more and the rating you give out of it. That's if I get any viewers. You wanna race him? You're probably faster though.
I heard you lead in mine. No, you're definitely faster.
Yeah, probably.
I do a display for the outro.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
gonna
that's
get
it.
out my Blue Angels.
That's the end of today's video.
Wait, don't stop yet.
Come on.
Yeah, just add Top Gun music. Dun, 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 dun,
Well, that's the
dun,
end
dun,
of today's
dun,
video.
dun, dun.
Please like and subscribe.
YouTube Music
I
is a
really.
music app where you can use Google Assistant to play your songs. Like, hey Google, play sex.
I'm crying right now.
Why?
An ad came up and I was like, la 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 la, stupid ad.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw the
And
ad.
I was like, hey Google, play some sexy. Then I just skipped the ad. Hey Google, play some sexy. That's the end of today's video. Please like and subscribe. It'll help out the channel. And have a good day.